Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about arrays. An array is a data structure that allows us to store multiple values in a single variable, making it efficient to manage large collections of data. For example, let's say you need to store the scores of 5 students. Instead of creating separate variables for each score like this, you can use an array to store all the scores in one place. Here's how it looks in code. This code creates an array named scores with 5 elements, each holding an integer value. The values inside the array are the scores we assigned. There are a couple of important things to keep in mind with arrays. First, arrays have a fixed size. Once you declare an array with a specific size, like 5 in this case, you can't add more elements later. If we need an array of a different size, we have to declare a new one. This means we must plan the array size from the beginning. Second, arrays can only hold elements of the same data type. For instance, an integer array like scores, we can only store integer values. If we try to add a string or floating point number, the compiler will throw an error. Let's go over how we access elements in an array. Arrays use indexes, which are the positions of each element in the array. In C++, the index starts at 0. So, if we want to access the first score, we use scores 0, and for the second score, we use scores 1, and so on. Here's an example. The output would look like this. In summary, arrays provide a powerful and organized way to store multiple values in a single variable, allowing us to manage and access data efficiently. Thanks for watching.